Right, time to build myself this lovely little Loonking, Skragrott The Loonking. So, hopefully it will be a nice simple build this. So there doesn't appear to be that many small or fiddly parts. So let's get up and running and see where we go. We've got to start off with 1 and 2, which is his main body. And where's the other part? Number 2. Here, the whatever this moon on a stick. Gotta have a moon on a stick. Oh, I do love these. Do love anything like a goblinoid, a grot, or whatever this git is. I'm gonna have a good look at mounting him proper. I love models like this. They just so much character on them. You can see all around like the weird twisty twirly staff, the moon on the top of it, all the little bits of fungus popping off in different directions. How could you not love a grot? And although he's an Age of Sigmar character, well, let's be fair about this. He is a pretty awesome looking guy who I have no doubt if I plan it right, he will make a fantastic Night Goblin Great Shaman for the old world, because as a lot of you know, I have every intention of making my Gloomspite Gits my Night Goblin army as well, so I'm going to do a lot of fiddling around to get this to work. Right, let's have a look here. So this has got to kind of, oh, what a weird positioning. Let me just check this through. Right, so you've got the main body, then you've got the moon on a stick, and then it kind of slots into there, nice and simple, yeah? It took a few, I'm saying it's nice and simple, it took me a few goes to work that out. Okay. And then we got to get number 4. Seems like it's going to be a nice simple build this so far. It's going to be a pain to get off that little bit there. I've got to be careful, I could damage the little mushroom it's attached to. So just be careful cleaning up this bit, because there's a lot of easy to damage parts. Okay, and then this part, now, there we go. I think it goes here, let me just double check. Feels about here, let me just carefully look at this. Let me have a look at very carefully on this, because it's a bit weird, isn't it? Oh right, hang on, before that part goes on, I've got to put number 3 on, which is his head. Okay, just watch out for some of the easy snap parts as you're doing it. How does this head slide in? A weird model to put together, this guy is. Just trying to work out how this head attaches. It feels like it kind of goes there, like so. That's how it feels like it goes, but by the same logic, yeah, like that. That is how it feels it should fit. With that hook going on that side. So let's see if I'm right about that. Like so. That leaves a hole there. And then this looks like it covers somewhere around here. Now it forms the top of his crown. So got a bit of so let's just get this positioning right again. Gosh, what a weird some weird design decisions on this one, isn't there? There, can you see? So it kind of slides in like this, okay? There we go. That is a very odd positioning, isn't it? You see? And then I'll just put a bit of glue there as well to make sure that arm's settling. Now, number 5, which is the babbling wand. It says it's the head of a prophet. And it's not a massive skull, that it looks like a human skull that's been put on top. Now, look at that there. It's not exactly a good little notch, is it? Clump of plastic right there on a really hard to clean point. Right, 7. Let's get this part in. Now, looking at this, you do need to kind of, you can't just kind of pop it straight on. It goes that. You got to kind of get it a little bit under and click it, okay, to make sure it's solid. Like so. So push it in at a bit of an angle and it's fine. Right, number 6 now. Then I'm going to assume you need to just put it in at an angle to get it to line up. Bit of a gap there, not ideal. Right, and then our other squig, number 8. Now, this goes on here, but you'll probably notice it's not exactly going to be easy to get that to hold, is it? Look at it. Gosh, what a weird positioning. Oh, right, hang on. I got it the right way. No, you have to push it a bit further in. That's why it wasn't gluing properly. It's not right on the edge. It sits in a bit further. Right. So you do have a base for him, but I'm not going to risk actually gluing him to the base yet because I think that might make it harder when I convert, you know, set up the base for Old Hammer, because the width of an Old Hammer base is this. So I'm going to have to get like maybe a cavalry base to mount him on for Old Hammer, and then I'll go from there. But he's definitely going to be my Goblin Great Shaman for Old Hammer, no doubt about that. Right, there we go then. That is Skragrott The Loonking, and what a fantastic looking model he is. Really cool with his big crown and his magical sticks and his squigs that have been trained to lift his rotten robe up. There we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.